Welcome to another video of Python programming, and in this video I will basically look at some of the salient feature of new version of Python, that is Python 3.9, and this version will be released soon and in this year, and already the beta version is available in the repository. So I will just discuss some of the incredible features that have been incorporated in this Python 3.9 version, and particularly I will discuss the dictionary features, dictionary union features. And as you can see here, that the new term, new slick operator has been introduced in this Python version, where we can use this merge operator to merge to separate dictionary and store it in a new dictionary. Okay, so what we basically do, suppose if we have two dictionary with key value pairs like this, dictionary A and dictionary B, then you can see that we can simply merge them by using this operator. And suppose A and B is two different dictionary, and they has been merged using this slick operator, and then it has been stored in a new dictionary C, and then we just got printed. Okay. So similarly, what you can see that this slick operator also can be used as a update operator. So we can update the original dictionary. So similarly, if we write this to dictionary again, and then if I again update the first dictionary A by this operator, this update operator, and simply the whole dictionary will be stored in the dictionary A. So all the keys and their corresponding values. Now question, if these two dictionaries share a common key, then what will happen is simply this, basically the second key value, the key value pair in the second dictionary will be used. Suppose here the dictionary A is having the dictionary A and B are having a common element, that is 6, common key, and their corresponding values are different. Here the values is X, here for B the value is Y. Okay, so then what will happen if I merge them? Then what will happen then? The merged dictionary will have all the key values, but this common key values will be replaced by the second dictionary. Okay, that is the B. Okay, so this is the thing. So you can see here the corresponding value of the key is that it's Y, it's not X. Okay, so this is some of the very good new features have been introduced in the Python 3.9, particularly regarding the dictionary operation. Okay, so there is some other features that I will discuss in the coming up videos. And thanks for watching.